Good morning, Barira, Aishin, Al Fateh. Please turn on your camera, Aishin and Barira. So, how you are feeling? Like you are in a new class today, right? Are you missing your friends?
Yeah, and I didn't even get her phone number. Hi, Abs.
Yeah, but you can join with them in some other periods like recreation period and all. You can just join with them. Okay. So, how was your weekend?
Good. I thought there were I thought there were more students in this class, not only us.
Okay, and which is the next first hour for
There's
you today?
only
Which is the
five.
first hour for you today?
There's only five.
Wait, just 5 people? What do you mean? I don't see any
Which
people.
is the first hour for you today?
There's only me and ma'am
The
and
first
Aishin.
period is math.
But Al Fatih is here, Aishin is here,
Yes,
ma'am
which
is
is your
here, and
first
I'm here.
period? Which is your first period, Aishin?
Wait. My first period is
Math.
nothing.
Oh,
My first period is nothing.
Math.
Ma'am, my first period is nothing. Nothing.
you didn't get the it is not there in the Google Calendar.
No. It's literally telling me you have no class.
Ma'am, in Google
Yay! I
Calendar,
have no
there
class.
it's
I have no class.
class should
Refresh
started
it.
in 12:20.
Refresh it, Barira.
I pressed the refresh. Ah, now it's
Yeah, you're
okay.
having it.
Yeah, okay. We still. Did it pass all of those?
Yeah, the first hour for you is Max, right?
Yeah. Oh, but it,
So in
And the max is
recreation,
starting at
what
12:20,
class are
they're
we supposed
showing.
to join in recreation? What class are we supposed to join? Joanne is here.
Yeah, Joanne is. Hi, Joanne.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. So, how was your weekend? How was your weekend?
wait, we have recreation. We have recreation
Good
after
morning, ma'am.
English. We have recreation after English. Guys, we have recreation after English.
But
Hooray!
where are we supposed to join?
Yeah, for recreation, you need to join PYA recreation classroom. Okay, it is given the. So first of all, you're having maths, then English, then recreation, and then
Ma'am, but there's no PYA recreation.
PYA recreation class is not there. Okay, let me ask about that. Okay, just 1 minute. I will confirm you. Join another PYA recreation classroom. It is not created, but you will be getting invitation to that classroom today itself. Okay. So you can join that classroom. And what about Sidra and one more Abhi was there to join, right? They didn't join. If they are joining for the first hour, just tell them that they need to join the PYA recreation classroom and the recreation class will be done there. Okay, is that clear for you?
Ma'am, what about Milin?
He is not in this class, dear. I think Joanne is missing your friend, right? But for the recreation, however, you can just meet him. Okay, don't worry. Okay, and then if you are having any issues and if you're having any concerns, you can just tell me. Do you know who am I for you? I'm your class teacher, okay? New class teacher. Okay? Okay, so you can just tell me if you're having any concerns, you can just inform me. Okay, dear?
Mm-hmm. The only concern I'm having is sleepiness.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Barira? Yes,
Yeah.
Barira, what did you tell, dear?
I have one concern that I'm super sleepy.
You didn't sleep well yesterday?
Mm.
What happened? You went for any outing?
Uh, I couldn't really remember what.
What, Barira?
I don't really remember what happened.
Okay. So, so
Look,
just inform.
at least I remembered where my white clothes are instead of Joanne just forgetting it.
Okay, so keep all your books
because look
the
at Joanne's
you're having
clothes. It's
any works to do
black.
this week? No, because today you're going to
Yes, yes.
You're having
Yes,
any
ma'am.
work to do for today?
Yeah, there's a homework called Layers of Earth, which is the
Oh, okay,
crust,
okay.
then the mantle,
So
then
how
the
was
outer
the
core,
theme
then the inner.
Then
six
the inner
assessment for
core.
you? How was the theme six
Yeah,
assessment for you?
but
Did it
I
went very
already did
well?
that one. I must think.
Did
I
it
Yeah,
went,
already did
went
that
very
one.
well?
yes, it was
So
kind of hard.
hope you will be enjoying the next theme. So we are moving to another theme, right?
Can we
What
play?
is it
Can
called?
we play Kahoot? Can we play Kahoot? Since we knew. Okay, mom is thinking what to say in her brain. Okay. Oh.
Okay, so who is taking max for you? I think Zilla ma'am, right?
Yeah, Azila, ma'am.
Oh,
Azila.
Amina, ma'am.
No, ma'am. What do you mean it's Azila,
hi
ma'am?
Sidra. Hi dear.
Good
Wait,
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm also good, dear. I'm your new class
wait. There
teacher.
is like
Okay.
this weird
Okay.
sign, guys.
You know that your PYA class is split into two, PYA1 and PYA2. So you are in
Straighta,
Wow.
PYA2
Like
straighta.
and
one.
I am your new class teacher. Okay. And if you're having any concerns, you can just tell me, dear. Okay.
She's asking why.
Okay.
She's
And
asking
Straighta,
why.
like, did you check the
straighta.
Google Calendar about the timetable?
No.
Okay.
Can I
So
show
next,
Straighta something, ma'am? Can I show Straighta something?
yeah, yes, dear.
There's this weird logo, like logo thing here. Look, visitor. Straighta
Oh,
is
yeah,
a
because she joined
visitor.
from the phone because of that. You're having an issue with your laptop, Sidra?
Yeah, actually, the laptop, when I try to enter the password, it's not coming. And I ordered from Amazon the Canva, Canva, the cam, the camera, what's not working. So that's why I
Okay, okay,
tried
okay.
to join from the tab, but it was not coming. So that's why
Okay,
I
okay,
joined
dear.
from
So,
phone.
this week itself, it will be okay?
Yeah, I don't think so, but the Amazon will come and pick it up and drop another one. I think so.
Okay, okay, okay. I think the one you got is a defected one, right?
Yeah, like the camera problem.
Okay, okay, okay. So everyone had your breakfast, or
Yeah.
do you have your breakfast during the break time?
Yes.
But
No.
okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
look at this.
Not.
yes.
Look, I can zoom into my screen so much that I can actually go inside, and it's really weird for some reason. But I like it.
So, which is your favorite subject? Al Fateh, which is your favorite subject?
Look, see, ma'am, I'm going into
Math.
it.
Math. Okay. Sidra,
Look,
what
ma'am,
about
I
you?
went inside.
Science.
Science. And Aishin,
No, no, no. My favorite is science. More like
which is
history.
your favorite subject?
Ma'am, look, see,
You don't
look,
have
it's
any favorite subject, Aishin?
Max.
Okay, and Barira,
like, yeah.
which is your favorite subject, Barira?
My favorite subject is
What?
hmm I'm
What?
really thinking.
Nothing is the uh,
My mind is not.
favorite one.
She hates
You're
everything.
Oh,
thinking.
I know,
Okay,
I know,
and
I
what
know, I know.
about Jawan, which is your
Wait,
favorite
I know,
subject?
I know, I know, I know, I know, I know.
Jawan?
Recreation.
I like science. I like science.
Oh, you also like science. Okay. So Zilla ma'am will be joining now, okay? So have a great
Okay.
day.
Okay.
Okay,
Take
bye.
care. Bye. Stay here itself. Okay, I'm
Bye.
here. We can just
Okay.
wait for Zilla.
Okay.
Bye bye, I guess. Or you're supposed to leave.